I have to sum it up my journey with Chegg in one sentence, I would say it is earning with learning. Hi, my name is Parul. I have been working with Chegg for about 2 years now. I have graduated with my master's in technology. I have 6 years of teaching experience. I have worked as an assistant professor computer science engineering, and after I left my job because of a few reasons, I was looking for various options where I could upcycle my skills, and Chegg offered a wonderful platform for that. My journey with Chegg has been wonderful so far. One thing I always strive for is work-life balance, and Chegg has helped me to maintain that balance. And apart from that, Chegg has provided flexible working hours, bankable payscale, and there is no stress regarding commute. There is no location dependence. The best time to solve maximum questions, I would say, is at night. But I also wanna say something here, because if you're a morning person, because Chegg provides flexible working hours, so if you're a morning person, it's not like you have to stay up late at night. Variety of questions and volume of questions would be higher at night. But if you have enough experience with Chegg, if you abide by the guidelines, if you acquaint yourself with the subjects and guidelines properly, you can even solve maximum questions in morning hours as well. To make sure that my solutions are plagiarism free, I try to provide solutions in my own words. You should be like I said, you should be well acquainted with the subject. You should have proper knowledge of the subject, and try to offer the solution in your own words. Try to avoid technical jargons and understand the subject, understand the solution, and then explain it in your own words. That way, even students will be able to grasp the idea, grasp the solution in a better way. When you're providing solutions on Chegg, you need to be up to date with the subject, because most of the questions are related to current technologies, and there are many advanced topics that one should be aware of. For any career growth, skill development is very important, but it is equally important that your hard work and your accomplishments are recognized, and Chegg does that. If you are consistent, if you are providing quality solutions, you are being rewarded, and that instinctively offers you career growth. You feel like you have accomplished something. So that, I would say, is the best thing about Chegg, that you feel like your hard work is being recognized. Yeah, I would definitely recommend Chegg to others. If you want location independence, if you want to work from anywhere, anytime, and at the same time you want to grow professionally, personally, and financially, you should definitely join Chegg.